If you've ever wondered how to implement cross-sells on your website, today I'm going to show you how to enable cross-sells in your theme if you're using the Astra theme, and then how to actually add a cross-sell to a product so that it appears as a suggestion for another product to purchase within the cart. So first we're going to take a look at the two products I have. One is t-shirt and one is super awesome socks. Now when somebody clicks to add super awesome t-shirt to the cart, and they view the cart, we want to give them a suggestion to purchase socks as well. Now, the first thing we'll want to do is make sure that our theme is compatible with this particular feature. So we'll go to Customize, and in Astra, we'll go to WooCommerce, Cart, and you'll see we already have Enable Upsells checkbox clicked. So we'll head back. That's all good. Now the place we want that suggestion to show up is right here. And so we'll go to the back end and we'll manipulate the super awesome t-shirt so that socks show up when it's added to the cart. So we'll click on super awesome t-shirt, scroll down to linked products, click cross sell, and we'll type in sock. We'll click super awesome socks, click update, and now we'll head over to the cart, refresh the cart, and you'll see down below it says you may be interested in super awesome socks. We can add those to the cart, and very quickly the cart is updated with two products and we can go on to checkout. It's just as easy as that.